Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be planning out the week of May 2nd through May 8th. It is my birthday week, and of course it is also Mother's Day. Okay, so let's take a look at last week. As you can see, I did not fill much of anything out, and there is a reason for that. It is because this has entered my life, and I don't know what to do about it, but that is for another video, so stay tuned for that. This is the Erin Condren Compact Vertical that I am just like, I don't know, you guys, I don't know. All right, let's put that away before I go down a rabbit hole about that thing. Anyway, so let's jump into it. Like I said, hopefully I touch my planner a little bit more this week, or else this might kind of seal the fate for it come July. We will totally see. All right, so I got this kit from Planner Kate. It is kit 420, so I have the sampler, the full boxes, a couple of add-ons like the thick washi, and more of the functional boxes, and of course, date covers. All right, so let's start with the washi at the top here. I think I'm gonna need my ruler and something to cut some washi with, or I'll just use my ruler for both. I'm kind of getting caught up with filming content today. I fell a little behind because last week was just a little bit more hectic, even for me. I was just like, whoa, this is a lot to deal with in a short amount of time. But, oh, those are not gonna fit. Okay, let's bring this down just a little bit more. But I'm glad to kind of be on track. Now, next week is gonna be a whole nother thing because I'll be out of town for most of the weekend, which means that I'm not gonna have time to film content for the following week. And I don't know if I have it in me to film that far out. Like, I'm already filming for this current week, right? I don't know if I have it in me to do 2 weeks, but we will see how it goes. We will see. I am just loving this washi. I used this theme in my May plan with me, if you saw that on Sunday. And I am just, it's so freaking beautiful. I know that there are Mother's Day specific kits, but I decided not to go with something like that pretty intentionally because I was like, it's also my birthday. You know, anyway, that's just how I was feeling. All right, so let's start with the date covers. That's what I was looking for. So we might need to use some tweezers for this. I'm so glad that we are finally in the month of May. I've said this multiple times, and I feel like I'm about to sound like that TikTok video where the lady's like, prepare to be sick of me, because that's where we're going. May is my favorite month of the year. And other than Mother's Day and my birthday and my, also my Cancer anniversary, it's kind of a big month just because I feel like the weather is like, it's one of the most perfect times of the year, right? It's not hurricane season. It's not, you know, whatever. It's in between spring. It's like more summer than spring, but you can still go outside safely for the most part without feeling like you're gonna die. I mean, it's the perfect month. I might be a little biased, but I think it's the perfect month. All right, so we've made it to the 4th. May the 4th be with you. Also Cinco de Mayo, like, hello, May already starts off with like quite a bang, if I do say so myself. So yeah, I'm very, very excited for this month and this week. I get to see some of my friends this weekend. I'm just like, hi, what a way to start May, right? All right, so I've got the top done. I think next I'm really going to focus on the bottom and then the sidebar because, yeah, I've got a lot of decorative boxes with this kit, so I'm just going to keep this washi going all the way across because I'm not going to need that little calendar. All right, so it is a week after launch day, right? How are you guys doing? How are your wallets? Because mine, woo, I placed two orders from Erin Condren, and I lost my ruler. There it is. And I have a third cart ready to go, but everything in my mind is like, can you chill the hell out, please? So I think I'm gonna try to, you know, calm down a bit and wait for some of my orders to come. All right, I was looking for the weekend sticker and I realized that it was this sticker strip that I was looking for to put my weekend sticker strip down. I'm not gonna put the weather down, so I don't really need it there. Although where I'm traveling to, the weather should be fairly similar to what we're dealing with here. So that's not gonna be too bad. All right, let's get the weekend right about there. That looks so freaking pretty. I love that so much. Oh my God. Okay. So before I put down, do I want to put down meals? You guys would think I would have a plan, right? Not really. All right, so meals we're gonna put right here at 5 o'clock. And hopefully I am ahead of the game because my schedule is just not gonna be quite as normal. So anyway, it's gonna be a short week for me. I was already gonna take time off anyway, and now I get to take some time off spending it with friends and family, so that's nice. I honestly should take, what is it, the 11th? No, the 9th off. The 9th is what I should have taken off as well, just to recover from all the fun, because I know it's going to be fun. Okay, so there's that. Let's start with Monday, which we always start with videos for the most part. So I think what I want to do is use these green ones for video. So of course today is a plan with me. And this might be a 2 video week because I am out of town, but we'll see. I might be able to make up for it on like Sunday if I've gotten everything edited. I do want to do a daily plan with me, of course. And then I want to do a plan with me in the vertical compact. There also may be a review video of my orders from EC. So it may not be a daily plan with me. Just kind of keep that in mind. I was just thinking about that as I was writing it down. Like, wait, my order is supposed to arrive today. So I'm filming this on Friday. And my order says it's actually gonna be here today, and I just ordered on Monday. Like, I'm a little confused though, I'm not gonna lie. I thought both of my orders were gonna be here today, and then when I looked again, it looks like my first order has 2 tracking numbers, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous. I'm kind of like, please let's not take steps backwards. Like, I mean, if you know in the past, they have definitely, and this was like years and years ago, they definitely had some launch shipping issues. So I'm really hoping that we're staying away from that. All right, videos are down. So let's do payday next on Thursday. I have, let's see, there's something on Monday too. I don't want to forget about that, but I kind of got distracted with, let's actually use this for Monday. I don't even know why I'm using tweezers for this sticker. I'm addicted to the tweezers, and my nails are a little longer than I even care to have them, but it's gonna be okay. Actually, let me put that back. Monday, we have a welcome lunch for a new team member. I'm super excited about that. This person is not on my team locally, but they'll be part of like our HR team, and I'm just super pumped that we're having a lunch for them. I said I was gonna do the sidebar. I will go back. Okay, so let's see, welcome lunch. It's going to be a virtual lunch since this person's in another location. All right, that's perfect. Tuesday, I do have a meeting at 10 and a meeting at 2. Now, the tweezers are great for smaller stickers, but sometimes they're also good for just lining things up a little bit straighter. That's not straight though, oh my God. Yay, nails. I wanted to have my nails done again though. I had them like cut down, and then I just did the SNS, and I didn't like the way this particular salon did it. I should have just stayed with my regular person. It was awful. It was awful. That's all I'm gonna say. All right, Wednesday, I don't think I actually have much going on there, but actually let me look at my schedule. I probably should have done that first, right? Oh, okay, on Monday I do have an interview at 2:30, so probably need to mark that. All right, and then I only have another meeting on Thursday at 11 so far. Meetings love to just pop up out of anywhere, so it's really not too bad. They've kind of like died down. We've streamlined a lot of our meetings and not not really needing to have quite as many, which I'm very, very happy about. All right, 11 o'clock meeting is there. All right, so now that we've got all of the work things down and the videos down, let's focus on, let's see, I'm not gonna do laundry on Thursday because I won't be here. So we're gonna do laundry on Wednesday, that is for sure, because I also need to pack. So I'm just gonna pop that in right about here. I will be at work, but I'm gonna try my very best to get laundry done. What can I use to pack? There's not really anything. That's fine. All right, let's do this pink sticker that I was gonna use right here. Stickers are flying out of the back of my planner. Now, I definitely, even though I'm not leaving until Thursday night, I have to pack because I am going to work on Thursday and then immediately leaving for my trip right after work. So, yay. Super, super fun. And then I do need to make sure on Wednesday that I pick up my refill. That definitely has to happen because I just put it in this morning and it's Friday. So it should be ready, but sometimes my medication has to be ordered just because of the quantity that I need for my thyroid medication, and my dosage is fairly higher than most. Okay, I've got that in there, and then even though I'm not going to be here on Friday, I definitely want to mark trash day, and I'm just going to kind of layer these two. Actually, I don't need to layer it that much because the trash day script isn't quite that big. Which, by the way, we finally had our bulk trash and we got so much stuff out of our house, to include our newly broken treadmill, which I'm really, really sad about. And I'm definitely in the market for another treadmill, but I'm not really sure if the Peloton one is the way that I want to go. Like that's expensive. So I really have to think about that one. Okay, so for Thursday, I want to put this little computer and put out of office right about here because, oh my God, you bet I'm going to be leaving like, whew, you're going to see like my skid marks out of the parking lot at work. All right, now what I think I'm going to use is this washi right here because it looks like arrows, and I think I want to use that right here. And I will be out of town Thursday night through Saturday night. I'll be home late Saturday. Luckily, my trip is only like an hour away, so that's pretty awesome. And I want to put, I think I'll just put this event label right on top of it just to mark that that's gonna be the trip. And I'll mark that kind of afterwards, so. All right, now I think I'm gonna fill the large part of this with a lot of boxes, simply because this is Mother's Day and my birthday. I kind of wanna mark that, but let's actually use this sticker and we'll do Mother's Day and my birthday there. I don't think I'll need to even put down like grocery shopping because hopefully my family has done it. Okay, I think that looks good enough. I can't get over how pretty this kit is. It is so friggin' cute. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to probably fill this area with a lot of pictures. So I'm just gonna kind of put like more of the less colorful stickers, if that makes sense. Here, I actually don't know if they're really gonna fit multiples, but that is fine. I wanna leave space for pictures anyway, so I'm just gonna put these two here. I think that looks good. And then on the other side, not a whole lot of space, but I'm gonna try and squeeze them in where I can. This floral print is just stunning. It is so friggin' pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so, oh, there's not a lot of space on Monday or Tuesday. I guess I could move up the meeting time. It doesn't have to be exact. I'm okay with that, because I really want to use this decorative box. That is a really, really pretty one. And then we'll just put this right about here. Okay, yes, I love that. Okay, let's go over to the sidebar before I forget about it for the millionth time. So on the sampler, there's always this large full box, and I'm gonna use that to cover up the May 2022 because we are aware. And then let's work with just the to-do is fine. I don't really need all the extra. Actually, is there a this week sticker? There is. Let's do this week. I love that she pretty much includes everything because you could really do your sidebar with the whole to do, to go, to call, or you could just do this week. It's whatever makes you happy. Oh my gosh, that looks so freaking good. I love that so, so much. And then I think I'm gonna put, do I wanna use another full box? I might just put a half box to cover up that thing right here. Let's do the striped half box since there is floral right here. I think that'll look really nice next to it. And then I'm gonna use the check boxes for the sidebar. I have not done this in forever. It feels like that's like OG planner Julie doing the sidebar in an Erin Condren. Oh my God, what is my life? Okay, that is not coming out so great. Tweezers to the rescue. I think it's because the bottom one is crooked. Let's try to straighten that out. Perfection. Look at that. Actually, let me move these stickers so you can actually look at it. All right, so that is how this week has turned out. I really, really love this. I cannot wait to fill it with pictures and all kinds of other fun stuff. I hope that you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today while I planned my week. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you are already subscribed, make sure you click that red notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.